students. Now we will study about a new sound. Let us see what is the sound. See the formation. I-E makes the sound I. Let us read the story carefully. A boy is going to the party. Everyone will be wearing costumes. The boy wants to dress up as a sailor, like his dad. His dad gives him a sailor's hat and shows him how to salute. The boy stands to the attention and salutes, saying, I. Now, it's song time. The captain said, I. The captain said, I. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said, I. So the action is very simple of the sound. You just have to salute like the captain is doing. Now, let us read all these words given below. The first word is pie. Pie has the sound of I. Cry has the sound of I. Tie has the sound of I. Lie, the dog is lying, has the sound of I. French fries has the sound of I. Flies has the sound of I. And die has the sound of I. So everybody will read this and learn it. So that's all about the video. Thank you.